Hey, what's going on? Welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to do my very first moto vlog. And no, I'm not talking about a motivational vlog. What I mean is parked right here behind me. I'm gonna do a motorcycle vlog. It might be motivational to some of you, maybe to get your bike out and go for a ride. Or if you're thinking about getting a bike, maybe it's time to go get one. Anyway, I've been doing a lot of riding lately, and this warm weather's got the bugs out, and now they are all over my bike, so I need to get them off, and then we're gonna go for a ride. This is my 2007 Honda Shadow Aero model. As you can see, it's getting nasty with bugs. So I'm going to pull her around the back of the house where I've got the hose, and we're going to get her all shined up. And a little bit of mothers to protect the leather here. Oh yeah, she's looking good. Got all the bugs off of there. Can barely even see the windscreen. It's so clean. Oh yeah. Look at that shine. Beautiful. The bugs are history. Well, for now anyway. Oh yeah, I just love this Honda Shadow. It's a beautiful bike. Runs amazing, it rides awesome. And for you guys out there who hate on Honda, shame on you. For you guys who want to say, oh well, that's not a Harley. Well, in 10 years we'll just see whose bike's running, right? Anyway, all joking aside, this bike is extra special to me because it used to be my dad's bike. My dad is no longer on this earth and I miss him a lot, so that makes this bike extra special. Holds a lot of sentimental value for me. So I definitely baby it. I'm always taking care of it, washing, waxing, polishing the chrome. Keep it looking amazing. Hopefully it'll last a lifetime. Anyway, enough talking. Let's go ride. Well, I thought I'd do a different type of vlog today and show you another aspect of my life, which is motorcycles. I just love riding. But thank you for joining me on this moto vlog, and I'll see you next time. Bye.